To get a footprint chart on thinkorswim, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart settings. First, select the asset you want to view and click on the Chart tab. Next, click on the Studies menu at the top of the chart and select Edit Studies. In the Studies window, click on the Add Study button and type footprint in the search bar. Select the footprint chart study from the list of available studies and click Add. Once the footprint chart is added, you can customize its appearance by clicking on the Edit button next to the study name. In the Edit window, you can adjust the colors, font size, and other settings to suit your preferences. The footprint chart will display the volume and order flow data for the selected asset, allowing you to analyze market sentiment and make informed trading decisions. To get the most out of the footprint chart, it is essential to understand the key concepts of volume and order flow. Volume refers to the number of contracts or shares traded during a given period, while order flow refers to the direction and magnitude of buy and sell orders. By analyzing the footprint chart, you can identify areas of support and resistance, as well as potential trading opportunities. Best practices for using the footprint chart include combining it with other technical indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, to form a comprehensive trading strategy. It is also crucial to monitor the chart in real time, as market conditions can change rapidly. By following these steps and using the footprint chart effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and improve your trading performance.